I want you to imagine this. You are doing something you find relaxing and someone calls you and keeps talking stuff without coming to the point for an arguably long time, and you can't tell them that right away for some reason. The only option you have is to hang up on them. Now let us take this a step further. What if that person who is already annoying in the first place tries to sell you on something? How would you feel? Now, what you just did is to put yourself on the shoes of your viewers when you try to stretch your video's length so that you can play more ads and make more money. Welcome to the Blessed Tuber YouTube channel. If you like that analogy, leave a like so that I can see the vibe I get. So, video length. If you are a fresh YouTuber and you come across the YouTube's partner program guidelines, which reads when you upload videos that are more than 8 minutes, you can enable ads during the middle of the video known as mid-rolls, in addition to having them at the beginning and end of the videos, which can also be interpreted as longer videos will make more money than the shorter videos. You are more likely to be tempted to keep making longer videos so that you can start to earn big when you finally get monetized. There is nothing wrong with this thinking process until you decide you do anything to get past those 8 minutes, which was actually 10 minutes before. Some of these poor methods include adding black screens in the end, talking random stuff for so long, or not even caring to edit out the places where you repeat yourself because that seems natural and also adds more time. They do sometimes work, but that's not how you lay a strong foundation for your YouTube channel. Now, why is this not right? Well, it has to do with our attention span as human beings. Even if the content is informative enough, we are always in a hurry to consume the content as soon as possible. So if you make videos with the intention of getting more watch time than giving more value, you are most likely to receive a lot of less audience attention. Now, audience attention is one among the key factors which influences the algorithm's decision on whether to rank your videos or not. So if you are bringing that metric down, how do you think you would make money just because that video is capable of mid-roll ads? Think about it. Even the YouTube creators state in a video that if the algorithm favored longer videos, podcast would have taken over. If the algorithm favored shorter videos, music videos would have taken over. The ideal video length is the actual length that you can get when you make the video. So if you are asking, do I recommend not to make long videos at all? Definitely not. Crafting YouTube videos according to the creator's willingness is a skill that takes time to master because every creator has a different factor that gives their audience attention they need. So analyze what makes your audience stay longer by experimenting whatever you feel like for a while, and then think about making longer videos instead of trying to make longer videos just for the checking of making longer videos. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.